Hey Mamacitas, in today's video I'm going to be sharing a journey through the seasons. Right now we are in the transition from spring to summer, but we will also be talking about the hidden gems of fall and savoring the hearty flavors of winter. Get ready to cook, eat, and grow with the seasons. On this channel you'll learn how to grow your own seasonal vegetables, and we're going to be whipping up some delicious recipes with fresh ingredients and also understanding the benefits of eating seasonally. So stick around to the end for a special tip that will make your seasonal cooking even more enjoyable. As the days get longer and the weather warms up, our gardens start to burst with life. Spring brings us tender greens like spinach and lettuce, perfect for fresh salads. I wanted to show you these artichokes from our garden. They're ready to be transformed into some delicious delight. Artichokes, with the ancient wisdom, teach us patience, resilience, and the beauty of growth. From a tiny seedling to a majestic bloom like us, ever evolving. I'm still amazed at these plants every year. They are so easy to make too. You just cut off the tips, which is optional. I like to cut them off because they're kind of pokey, and then you fill a large pot with 4 inches of water and add the artichokes. They don't have to be fully immersed in the water. Then you just cover a pot and bring the water to boil. Reduce the boiling water to a medium-low heat and let it cook for a while, covered for 30 to 40 minutes or until the outer leaves can be easily removed. And for a dipping sauce, I like to melt a little bit of butter in a small bowl in the microwave. You can also dip it in mayonnaise, which is really good too. So once it's done, you just tear back each tender leaf and unveil its tender heart, hidden within layers of protection. The next thing that we have in our garden that is coming to an end with spring is asparagus. We have an abundance of asparagus. To me, asparagus signals the end of the spring garden, its tall spears gracefully bowing under the gentle light. As spring retreats, summer steps in, bringing a warm golden hue. I do have a lot of asparagus recipes on my channel. If you want to look back and see them, they should be listed in the playlists. But now the garden is transforming, welcoming the vibrant reds of tomatoes and the crisp greens of cucumbers. It's a beautiful shift from the tender greens of spring to the rich, full flavors of summer, where we welcome juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and sweet berries. Planting these in your garden is easy and rewarding. Just imagine the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes still warm from the vine in your homemade salsa or salad. When the air turns crisp and leaves start to fall, it's time to harvest the robust flavors of autumn. Think pumpkin, squash, and root vegetables like carrots and beets. These hearty ingredients are perfect for roasting soups and stews for those crisp, cold autumn nights. Winter may seem like a dormant season, but it's a time of comfort and hearty meals. Brussels sprouts, kale, and winter squash thrive in the cooler months. These vegetables add a touch of green to your winter plate and are packed with nutrients. Cooking with seasonal produce in winter means cozy dishes like roasted Brussels sprouts or savory butternut squash soup. Here's a tip to enhance your seasonal cooking. Always preserve some of your seasonal bounty. Whether it's canning tomatoes in the summer or freezing pumpkin puree in the fall, having these ingredients on hand will bring a taste of the season to your kitchen all year round. Want to dive deeper into the world of seasonal cooking? Check out my playlist on how to store and preserve your harvest. And don't miss my upcoming video on the ultimate guide to seasonal cooking. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the seasons. I hope you feel inspired to grow and cook with the freshest, most flavorful produce each season has to offer. Remember, whether you're harvesting your own garden or picking up fresh ingredients at the market, you can create delicious seasonal meals that nourish both your body and soul. Your kitchen is a place of endless possibilities, and I'm so excited to see what kind of seasonal delights that you come up with.